Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and guess what? I am back again with more DIYChoose. This is part 2. I saved some aside. Yes, I did. All right, so let's look at what we have. I hope you find something here that you like. I know I found things that I liked, so let's get right to it, and I'll show you what I picked out. I will link all of these items below, so if you're interested, you can go look and find them for yourselves. Look at that. I loved that. Let me zoom you in just a bit. Not out. In. There we go. I had a big painting on the counter a minute ago. All right. So look at that. Isn't it cute? Super, super cute. Very florally. We got some lilies down here. Maybe flocks, a flowering tree, cherry or apple. And look at the little birdhouse. It's a church. Isn't it cute? This just got like this blurred out background. So that's not supposed to be clear back there. It's just like a blurred, so that the image on the front comes through. I love it. It's so cute. I think those are chickadees. Not positive, but they look like chickadees to me. Anyhow, it has 20 colors. There's a legend on both sides. It's all letters. No numbers, no symbols. Drill field, super clear. Look at it, very clear. Sparkly canvas. Can you see the sparkle? Yeah, there's some sparkle on the canvas. I love it. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I'm really into like bird, animal, just flowers these days. And look they come pre-bagged. I love that. Absolutely love that. I mean, we can see all of our colors here. That's a navy, an olive green, a pink, some browns, a taupe, some blues. Of course, we have blues for our lighthouse. Grays, green, peaches. Love it. Love it. Pretty, pretty colors. Round drills. No complaints about these types of kits. They're all really nice. They're all picture printed these days, have good drills. They've really come a long way. You guys, a long way. So I try to find something that has a big focal point in the middle and nothing real small and tiny, because those tend to not come out very well. But you find a nice image like that and it's gonna be great. All right. Okay, next. I don't know if I have this one. It seemed like I didn't. I really have to go through my gnome collection, but it was right around St. Patrick's Day when I ordered this guy, of course, right? He's got his shamrocks and it says lucky. It's all special drills. So he's against like a whitewashed wall, shiplap as we call it. And he's just like, he's a lucky gnome. And peace to you. Luck be with you, peace be with you. He's got 11 different shapes and colors that go on there. I don't know if I have him. Like I said, I really need to go through the gnome stuff again. I've done some. I haven't done as many as I would like, but you know how that goes. All right, what do we have here? We have some clear rhinestones. Those are pink. 1 green, 2 greens. We have some corally color, some gold, some amber, some more gold. Ooh, and look at that. Woo, there's a whole bunch of those green ABs. That's nice, right? Whoa, that's gonna go all over this thing probably. Love it. Okay, and then we got a couple specials. Oh, these are cool. Purple pearls. And then we get a selection of hearts. Did you see where the hearts go? I saw where the hearts go. They go inside all the little shamrocks. Love it. Cute. All right, cute. All right. I got a couple more tool kits here. Did you need a tool kit? I got tool kits. All right. Love this girl. Love her. Look at one more tool kit. Look at her. Look at the colors on her. Isn't she cool? I love her. She is spiffy. I've seen this for many, many, many months and maybe years even. I don't know, but she is so cute. She's like a 60s girl, 70s girl, 60s, Reminds me of me when I was young. It would have been me. And she's holding the puppy. She's got her bell bottoms on. Isn't it cute? I love this one. And look how good that looks in the camera. It's going to turn out so good. Look at the legend on that thing. It's big. 20 colors, DMC codes, all letters. Nope, a couple numbers. Look at everything's clear, easy to read. They really do a nice job with these now. And look at her puppy. Yeah, that would have been me when I was a kid. Seriously, would have been me. Ah, love it. So it comes with pre-bagged drills as well. Makes it easy to just start working on it. I could work on it right now a little bit if I wanted to. So we have some peachy colors, a red, like a tan, more peachy, orangey colors. We have some blue for her blue jeans, some maroons and browns, another orangey peach color, a yellow, and a white, off-white. It's off-white. Look at, they're all in order. Love it. Love those colors. Isn't she cute? What do you think? She reminds me of the Charmin toilet paper girls. Do you remember them? I know, I'm showing my age, but they used to have these cute, very pretty girls that were on the Charmin toilet paper. Yeah, that's what she reminds me of. But I love her. She is so cute. And her little puppy. All right, I got a little bag of goodies here. Let's see what's in here. I think this might be keychains. Yeah, look. We have the clasps for keychains. All right, let's get into them. But what kind of keychains are they? Well, I don't know. Let's find out. One more toolkit just for good measure, but that has our alligator clasps, claw type things. Okay, here they are. Oh, wow, they're not very thick. I think they're thin. They are real thin plastic. They're not the thick acrylic, so they're a thin little plastic. See? I'm used to the thick ones, but these are thin. So they are double-sided. Look at, it's a bunny. Bunny's bringing some flowers. Cute, right? Got a bouquet of flowers. Cute. All right, what else do we have? Let's see. We have another bunny wearing her Easter bonnet, and she has her posies as well. Double-sided. So they're very flexible, this one is, see? But that's okay. They'll be fine. Another Easter bunny. Cute. Love it. All right. I think we got 5. Yeah, we got 5. Oh, we have a little chocolate brown bunny. Don't eat it. He looks like he's got carrots. I looked at it. I'm like, those look like carrots. And they're not. I think they're flowers. Got a bow tie. I think he's a boy bunny. What do you think? I think he's a boy. All right, and we have one more. And this one has a gift. This one is bringing you an Easter present, right? Got the hole at the top to put your clasp on your ring. Cute. Love them. Those are very cute. Love those. I haven't done keychains in a long time, but I have a few sets I would like to work on. Keychains are fun to do. You can use them for so many different things. You can give them away as gifts. I mean, they're just fun to do. I would seal the keychains, by the way. Yeah. Light purple. Clear. A pink. A blue. A red rhinestone. Yellow rhinestone. Green. Pink. Pink. Orange. More pink. Amber color. Champagne color. Another amber. Ooh, look at these. Those are spiffy nifty. Look at those guys. I wonder which one gets those. Those are cool. I love those. Who gets the little flowers? I'm going to go look. And then we have some red teardrops. Who gets the little itty? Oh, the posies. This one with the little posies gets those. That will be cute, won't it? Love it. I love that one. All right. You know, you could make those as gifts. Give them to your kids. Give them to your grandkids. Little Easter present, right? How perfect would that be? It's all about the Easter present right now. Which Easter is Sunday. Yeah. I don't think you're going to see this well after Easter, probably. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyhow, you can always be prepared for next year. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll link everything below. If there's something here that caught your eye that you just have to have, I'll link it below so you can go find it quick and easy. And go pick you up 1 or 2 or 3, whatever you need, you know. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you stick around, hit the like button, subscribe, hang out for a while, and just enjoy my company. I enjoy your company. You know, we spend some time together. All right, take it easy, everybody. Have a great day, and I will talk to you real soon. Bye, everybody.